Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, December 11th, 2008 am. You are making progress, you advance, and that is all that counts. I already told you. Perfection cannot be achieved in a day. You would be the only one to perform such a feat. If you knew how we all struggle to reach the heights, yet the spiritual quest never ends. We focus on what is in the heart of human beings and we do not judge, unlike what they can do so well to others. We see the gem, the core that is in the gauge, and work it so that the splendor which is in the heart of the heart can emerge. We constantly resume this work as you should do yourself with tenacity. Sooner or later, the light will illuminate your way. That is the way it has to be. It is essential to take a new look at oneself. It is wise to regularly take stock and to decide on the major guidelines that go in the right direction. That is realization. We do not ask anything unfeasible. All can be obtained if one really wants it. So it will be for you, if that is your objective. You should summon up patience. Abnegation and love must guide your steps so that your eyes will open up to reality one day and you will taste the ineffable nectar. Babuji. Monday, December 11th, 2010 am. The medium says, every day I move forward on the path where you guide my steps. You have my heart at your disposal just as you please. The final result does not worry it. It is happy since it depends on you. Your love is its food. What more could I need? That is surrender. Why could you not express yourself in these messages, even if they were not solely intended for you, like it or not? You are at the core of this work. You are the thread of it. Your questions beget answers. All that you live, your joys, your sorrows, your questions concerning the mission, nothing leaves us cold. These writings are influenced by your life. A medium is not a heartless or emotionless machine that writes without taking part. It is your energy and your love for us that make these messages pile up. We express ourselves through you, our hearts vibrating in unison. You know very well that you are not just a pencil, as you enjoy saying. Your sensitivity enables you to grasp the subtlety of our teaching. That had to be said to enlighten your circle. What you do is not easy. Only the heart's purity allows this exchange. Your channeling gifts could not have been sufficient. We bless you, my daughter, Babuji. At 5 pm, the medium says, forgive my reactions that are too human, Babuji. If you were not so human, as you say in a pejorative way, meaning a disapproving way, you could not perform this work, Babuji.